2024 Ram 3500. With less than 49,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.